million. 5 million people die every single year, and it's not because of cancer or any other dangerous disease with no cure.
So then, what's killing 5 million people?
Crazy. People are dying because it's either too cold or really, really hot. But today, instead of focusing on the problem, I want to take you on a trip around the world to see the crazy things cities are doing to become colder. In the city of New York, they're putting reflective paint on the roofs of buildings. Why? So the concrete doesn't absorb heat and make the city hotter. This way, paint can just reflect the sunlight back. A simple solution with incredible results. Stop it! Go away! I mean, no, we depend on you, but... But it's not just New York. Even Chicago is painting their streets in light colors for the same reason. Think about it like this. Wearing a white t-shirt in the summer makes you feel way cooler than wearing a black one. It's the same with buildings. The lighter they are, the cooler they are. In Stuttgart, Germany, they planted gardens all over the city to create air corridors that carry cool air from the mountains into the city. It's because trees provide shade, yes, but they also do this crazy thing where they absorb heat and let out water. So basically, one tree like this can cool as much as 2 small air conditioners. So it's no surprise that in Melbourne, they turned this street into this. Less parking spaces and more trees. And in Louisville, one of the hottest cities in the US, is gonna plant almost 500,000 trees just to cool down. In Vienna, they have cool streets with machines that mist out water so that people can chill out. But it's not just Vienna. Even in Tokyo, you'll see street fans that don't just let out air, but also water to cool temperatures. And also in Tokyo, they have a building with skin. Well, bioskin. It is a huge layer of small bamboo pipes that take rainwater and distribute it all over the building to cool it down. And in Singapore, we found a hotel that's made out of plants. I'm not kidding. This hotel has plants growing all over its walls, which makes it much cooler and looks so much nicer. The truth is, all of these projects are amazing, but they're not enough to solve the climate emergency. They're not enough to save human lives. What we need is global change, across cities, countries, and billions of people. Change that starts with you, and change that starts with me.